Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you watched the last video, you saw that I had already measured out and pre-cut the lengths of steel, and my nephew Mikey is over here to help me weld it tonight. We did pre-drill the rails that where it'll bolt to the trailer, so that'll help later. Be ahead. So now we got everything laid out. We're gonna get started on the welding. Alright, we got it all, Mikey got it all welded up for me. My brother-in-law Mike was here and helped out as well. Hi Mike. So we got it all welded. I gotta drill some holes to mount the awning on the taller uprights. And then I think we're down to just spraying it black and putting it in the trailer. Mount the tent. Get the tent and awning mounted on it. We're ready to camp. Thanks for watching.